Hi, this is Tom Larson with Tech Training for Teachers. Today we're going to show you a fun way to customize your Apple computer so that it appears more googly. Let's get started. While today's tip is by no means entirely practical, it is something you can do that can bring a sense of uniformity and aesthetic appeal for those desiring a more Google-inspired computer experience, but are locked into using a Mac. Okay, probably the first thing you'll want to do is to change your Mac's desktop wallpaper. I found a good Googley wallpaper online, so I'm going to go ahead and change my background. I have it here on my desktop, so I'll simply right click and then choose Set Desktop Picture. Okay, next we want to go to one of our Google Workspace apps. Alright, so I'll start with Google Docs. So we know the web address is docs.google.com. Alright, this will take you to the Docs home screen. Now what you'll want to do is select the first part of this web address, okay? docs.google.com. Don't select anything after it, alright? Take that and drag it here to your desktop and it creates a shortcut. At this point, we're going to do a Command I, or from the File menu, we can choose Get Info right here. We'll leave this open. Then I have my icon for Google Docs that I'm going to use. Now I have some Google drawings that I've created where I've redrawn Google Workspace icons. You'll find those links in the video description. Feel free to use those if you want to. You will have to convert them to the PNG format. If you open them up in drawings, you just simply download them as a PNG and then they'll work. Alright, so that's what this is here. We'll want to open that up, and it will open it up in the Apple program Preview. Okay, and we'll see it right here. Alright, at this point, in Preview, click on your Edit menu and choose Copy. Alright, then come back to this little information window here, for this web shortcut, and click on this little icon right here. Alright, with it selected, you're going to click Edit and then Paste. Look there. Alright, so it changes the icon. Then we can close out of it, and then I'll just retitle this so it says Google Docs. Okay, and that's it. Then at this point, take your shortcut and you need to drag it to the right of this little bar right here, closest to the trash can. Okay, these two icons of course represent running applications, one that we're using right now. So I'll put it right there. Alright, then we can get rid of this. Alright, so now at this point, if I close out of this and I click my shortcut to Google Docs, boom, it takes me right there. Repeat the steps we've just shown you to add your other icons. Now when you're all finished, you should have a doc that is extremely googly. And remember, if you need to move any of these icons out, simply click and hold, go to Options, and then choose Remove from Dock. You can also rearrange these in the order that you like. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email. And if you enjoy watching videos like this, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to sign up for notifications so you know the moment when new content is posted.